In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up team-managed projects in Jira. Jira is a powerful tool for overseeing and tracking project management tasks, and understanding how to set up a team-managed project can significantly enhance your team's workflow and collaboration. Let's start by navigating to the Jira platform. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice the Jira navigation bar. Here, you'll want to select the Projects option. This will guide you to the next phase of setting up your team-managed project. Once you've clicked on Projects, you'll be directed to a screen where you'll see the Create Project button. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll find yourself at the selection of available templates. These templates are designed to fit various workflows, so take some time to browse through them and choose the one that best matches your team's workflow. This could be a Kanban board or perhaps a Scrum board depending on your team's needs. Once you've identified the appropriate template, click on Use Template. Next up, you'll need to specify that this is a team-managed project by selecting Select a team-managed project. This is an essential step because it determines the level of flexibility and management style you'll have with this project. Now, let's give your project a meaningful and descriptive name. It's important to choose a name that clearly conveys the purpose or focus of the project to both your team and any stakeholders who might be involved. You will also need to enter a key for your project. You can manually enter one if you have a specific idea in mind, or you can choose to use the auto-generated option provided by Jira. This key will serve as a unique identifier for your project within Jira, so choose wisely or let Jira handle it for you. The next step involves determining the access level for your project. Consider who you want to be able to view or edit the project. Do you want it to be open for anyone to access, or do you prefer to have limited or private access for more sensitive projects? Making the right choice will ensure the right people have the right visibility into your project. After you've set up all these parameters, it's time to finalize everything. Simply click on Create to establish your new team-managed project. And there you have it. Your project is now set up and ready for you and your team to start working on. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review the key differences between team-managed and company-managed projects. Team-managed projects allow any user to create a project, providing a more flexible and agile approach without needing admin permission. On the other hand, company-managed projects require Jira admin permissions and offer more advanced configuration options that can be shared across projects, catering to organizations that need more standardized management. I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your team-managed project. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.